Welcome to Silly Sylvie, a channel where we explore valuable financial wisdom suitable for the whole family. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining focus can be a real challenge. We're inundated with distractions, and it seems like our attention spans are shrinking. But what if there was a solution to combat this distraction overload? Today, I have the unique pleasure of welcoming a special guest, the person who signs my paychecks and sometimes signs off on my wildest ideas. We're here on friendly terms, ready to dive into the intriguing world of monk mode. So, let's get started. What exactly is monk mode?
Monk mode, inspired by the disciplined lifestyle of monks, is a state of deep concentration and dedication to a single task or purpose. It's about shutting out the noise of the world and immersing yourself fully in the present moment. In essence, it's a deliberate choice to eliminate distractions and focuses on what truly matters. When you enter monk mode, you commit to a specific goal or activity without allowing interruptions or diversions. It's like creating a bubble of undistracted time around yourself, where your energy and attention are channeled toward a singular objective.
Fascinating. Now, could you delve into the psychology behind monk mode?
Certainly. Monk mode isn't just about concentration, it's about achieving a state of flow. Flow, in psychological terms, is that magical mental state where you are fully immersed in a task. Time seems to fly by, and you are at your most productive and creative. To better understand the psychology behind monk mode, let's delve into the principles of flow. Clear goals, intense concentration, instant feedback, and challenge skill balance. Monk mode sets a clear goal to focus on one task without distractions. This aligns perfectly with the conditions for flow, which require a clear sense of purpose. When you enter monk mode, you are fully concentrated on your chosen task, shutting out all distractions. This intense focus is a key element of the flow state. Flow thrives when you receive immediate feedback. In monk mode, you can see your progress and accomplishments more clearly. Flow occurs when the challenge of the task matches your skill level. Monk mode allows you the flexibility to select tasks that are engaging but not overwhelming, fostering a sense of immersion and focus, a crucial component of achieving a flow state where productivity and creativity flourish.
It's clear that monk mode can enhance productivity and creativity. But how does it connect with financial wisdom?
Monk mode actually holds valuable insights for financial wisdom. Here's how. 1. Financial planning. Just as monk mode requires setting clear goals and staying focused, financial wisdom involves creating a solid financial plan and adhering to it. Monk mode's discipline can be applied to maintain financial discipline, budgeting, and saving for the future. 2. Investment focus. In monk mode, distractions are minimized to stay on course. Similarly, in financial wisdom, it's essential to avoid impulse investment decisions influenced by market noise. Monk mode can teach us the value of a steadfast approach to investments. 3. Long-term vision. Monk mode encourages envisioning the future and outlining strategic plans. This aligns with financial wisdom's emphasis on long-term financial goals, such as retirement planning and wealth accumulation.
Monk mode seems to offer numerous advantages beyond productivity and financial wisdom. Could you elaborate on these wider benefits?
Certainly, the benefits of monk mode extend far beyond content creators like me and apply to everyone. Monk mode helps clear the mental clutter, allowing for better decision-making and problem-solving. By focusing on one task at a time, you reduce the anxiety associated with multitasking. Achieving flow through monk mode can lead to increased happiness and satisfaction with your work, boosted creativity. The absence of distractions in monk mode allows creativity ideas to flow more freely. Better work-life balance. By allocating specific times for intense work, you create boundaries that promote a healthier balance between work and personal life.
Finally, for our audience looking to embrace monk mode, what practical suggestions do you have?
Here are some practical suggestions. Start small. Begin by dedicating short blocks of time to monk mode, gradually increasing as you become more comfortable. My first foray into monk mode was just 30 minutes, but it made a significant difference. Find your ideal time. Identify when you are most alert and focused during the day and schedule your monk mode accordingly. For me, it's early in the morning when the world is still asleep, especially my kids are still asleep. Create a ritual. Develop a routine that signals the start of your monk mode. I water the plant, brew a coffee, and disconnect from all digital devices. Experiment. Be flexible and open to adjusting your approach to see what works best for you. For instance, my friend entered monk mode from 5 to 7 a.m. and successfully lost weight in 3 months through dedicated Pilates sessions. Personally, I allocate 1 hour of my monk mode mornings to read a book as part of my morning routine. Additionally, I've tried various activities during my monk mode sessions, such as deep writing or focused work on creative projects. The key is to find activities that resonate with your goals and help you achieve the flow state more effectively. While monk mode can be powerful, be mindful of your sleep patterns. Staying up too late to work in monk mode may lead to sleep deprivation and health issues, including reduced brain efficiency, which goes against the very principles of monk mode. Instead, explore options like waking up earlier, as my friend does for her Pilates routine from 5 to 7 a.m. This way you can maintain your well-being while benefiting from focused work.
So in conclusion, monk mode isn't just a tool for those struggling with concentration, it's a pathway to achieving the elusive state of flow, fostering financial wisdom, and reaping a host of mental and emotional benefits. By understanding and embracing monk mode in our daily lives, we can reclaim control over our attention, enhance our financial decisions, boost our creativity, and foster a sense of well-being.
Yes, as you start each day, remember that your time is a precious resource. Protect it fiercely and harness the power of monk mode to enhance your life, work, and financial wisdom in more ways than you can imagine.
Well, thank you for sharing your insights and joining me on this adventure into the world of monk mode. You're absolutely right. So, I'm now off to my monk mode to edit my video, and I promise not to sneak in any cat videos during that time. Until next time, stay focused, embrace monk mode, and remember, even bosses can be Zen masters. Goodbye for now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated.